How to edit playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. If you want to edit your playlist and you don't know how to do it, then this video is right for you. Firstly, open your Spotify application and tap on your library option at the bottom right corner. Click on the playlist option and select the playlist you want to edit. And once you appear on this screen, click on the three dots you see there. Different options will pop up on your screen, from which click on edit playlist option. And from here you can edit your playlist name as well as change the image. You can also remove the songs from the playlist by simply clicking on minus button. And after editing your playlist, simply click on save option in the upper right corner. And that will simply save the changes that you made on your playlist. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.